అందరికీ నమస్తే. ఇంకా ఈరోజు మనము బాలాజీ గిఫ్ట్స్ అండ్ కార్డ్స్ షాప్కి వచ్చేసినాము. ఈడొచ్చేసి గ్రీటింగ్ కార్డ్స్, గిఫ్ట్ ఐటమ్స్, మళ్ళీ పెళ్ళిళ్ళకి ఇచ్చే గిఫ్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, చాలా మంచిగా రీజనబుల్ ప్రైజెస్లు ఉన్నాయంట. ఏమేమి రేంజ్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ ఉన్నాయి, ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి అన్ని చూసేద్దామా. ఇంకా
हाय, मेरा नाम विकास है. So this is Balaji Frames and Gifts. We are here in Osmangunj from past 20 years approx. We are in the business of wholesale gift articles, frames, novelties and other things. So we have the range start from 100 to around 5,000, 8,000. Around you can go around 15,000. We have also items of 15,000 range. So we start from 100 to 15,000. You can count everything. You can take everything for birthdays, for occasions like birthdays, marriages, engagements, house openings, and anything, any gifts, regular gifts. Like we have Ganesh idols, Radha Krishnas, other couple articles, wall clocks, frames, and everything we have. So we have also have lightings and other things. As such means there is nothing like special item in gift occasion because it's a gift article, so it changes by the season, by the how can I say, like in like innovative ways. So every new gift articles or anything will be changing it. You will be changing it. As you asked, we also deal in wholesale. Majority of our sales would be wholesale. We entertain retail normally. Matlab when we are free or available, that's the only time when we entertain retail. So.